Drink this to rebuild knee cartilage. Are you tired of knee pain slowing you down? Are stairs, long walks, or even getting up after sitting for too long becoming more painful than ever? You're not alone. For many people over 50, knee pain becomes a part of daily life. But what if I told you that the solution to relieving that pain and even rebuilding knee cartilage is right in your kitchen, waiting to be discovered? Forget expensive medications or invasive procedures. What if the secret to reducing joint pain was as simple as a homemade juice made from 3 common ingredients? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me, because what you're about to learn could change your life in just a few weeks. Let's dive into a natural remedy that's been tested and proven to help alleviate knee pain, quickly and effectively. As a doctor with extensive experience in managing joint pain, especially osteoarthritis in people over 50, I can confidently say that while conventional treatments can provide temporary relief, the real solution often lies in giving our bodies the right nutrients. The key to lasting joint health isn't found in popping pain pills, but in nourishing the body with the right natural ingredients. In my years of research and practice, I've found that the body has an incredible ability to heal itself when it's given the proper tools. What's most surprising is that some of the most effective remedies are also the simplest and the most cost-effective. Let me show you how a few ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen can help you rebuild knee cartilage and get rid of pain once and for all. Let me share the story of Mary, a 64-year-old woman who had been struggling with knee pain for years. She couldn't walk for long without experiencing intense discomfort, and tasks like climbing stairs or getting up after sitting for a while had become almost unbearable. Like many, she turned to various medications, but nothing seemed to work. That's when a friend introduced her to a simple, natural remedy, a juice made from Chyote, pineapple, and gelatin. After just 3 weeks of daily consumption, her knee pain had significantly reduced. She could walk without discomfort and even started hiking again, something she thought she would never be able to do. Mary's story is not unique. Many people have experienced the transformative effects of this natural remedy. But why does it work so well? Let's break down the science behind it. 1. Chyote. You might not think much about chyote, a green vegetable often overlooked in the produce aisle, but it's a powerful ally for joint health. Chyote is loaded with vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production. Collagen is the key protein that helps maintain the strength and integrity of cartilage in the joints. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to stiff joints and discomfort. By incorporating chyote into your diet, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to repair and rejuvenate cartilage. In addition to its high vitamin C content, chyote is also rich in potassium and antioxidants, which reduce inflammation. This is important because chronic inflammation is one of the main causes of joint pain, and chyote helps to fight that inflammation, reducing both pain and swelling. 2. Pineapple. Not only is pineapple delicious, but it also contains bromelain, an enzyme that works wonders for joint health. Bromelain helps the body absorb proteins more effectively, which is essential when you're trying to build and repair tissues like cartilage. More importantly, bromelain has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which can work just as well as some anti-inflammatory medications, but without the side effects on the stomach and kidneys. What's even more remarkable is that the highest concentration of bromelain is found in the core of the pineapple, the part most people throw away. So, don't toss the core when making this juice. It's packed with the very enzyme your body needs to fight inflammation and ease joint pain. 3. Unflavored gelatin. You've probably heard of gelatin, but did you know it's practically collagen in powder form? Gelatin is derived from animal collagen and provides the raw materials the body needs to rebuild and repair tissues. Unlike most foods, gelatin is absorbed quickly by the body, allowing it to be used immediately to support joint health. Gelatin contains essential amino acids like glycine and proline, which are rare in other foods but crucial for maintaining the health of your joints, skin, hair, and nails. It's like giving your body premium building materials to restore what has been damaged over time. Now that you understand the power of each ingredient, let's move on to the practical part, making the juice. Ingredients: 1/2 Chyote, peeled. 1 medium slice of pineapple, including the core. 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, about 1/3 ounce. 1 2/3 cups of filtered water. Honey to taste, optional. Hydrate the gelatin. Start by placing the gelatin in a small bowl with 5 tablespoons of warm water. Let it sit for 5 minutes to hydrate. Then microwave it for 15 seconds or use a double boiler to melt it, ensuring the temperature doesn't exceed 104 degrees Fahrenheit to retain its benefits. Blend the ingredients. Cut the chyote and pineapple into small pieces. Add them to a blender along with the water. Blend for about 3 minutes until the mixture is smooth. Add gelatin. Add the hydrated gelatin to the blender and blend for another 2 minutes to fully integrate it into the juice. Sweeten and enjoy. If desired, add a tablespoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. Drink approximately 7 ounces of this juice every morning on an empty stomach for at least 21 days for the best results. From my years of experience, I can confidently say that joint health doesn't have to be an expensive or painful journey. Consistency is key, and when you combine this simple juice with regular movement and healthy habits, you can experience real transformation. This remedy is especially effective because it works on multiple levels. It reduces inflammation, promotes collagen production, and helps rebuild damaged cartilage. For best results, I also recommend complementing this remedy with gentle exercise, like swimming or walking, to further support joint health. If you're ready to take control of your joint health and say goodbye to knee pain, don't forget to subscribe to Home Remedies Over 50 for more natural health tips. I'd love to hear about your experiences with this remedy in the comments below. Have you tried it or any other home remedies for joint pain? Share your story, and let's build a community of people who support each other on their journey to pain-free living. And don't forget to share this video with anyone you know who could benefit from these simple, effective solutions. Together, we can make a difference in our health, naturally.